Hey guys, my name is BarbiePinkLifestyle. Thank you so much for coming to my channel. If you're new swinging through, then welcome. And if you're already a supporter of mine, then thank you so much. You guys know I appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. And yeah, so today's video is going to be a Boxycharm video. You guys know that I love Boxycharm. I've been with Boxycharm for probably like 6 months now. But today is not any ordinary Boxycharm video. Today we are opening up 2 Boxycharms. Who on YouTube is opening up 2 Boxycharms in one video? Nobody. So let's go ahead and get into it. So if you like videos like this, then make sure you keep watching. And oh, you guys are probably like, why is she in a jacket today? Well, I'm having a terrible eczema flare-up, and my last video, somebody actually came for me. They asked me why I had hickeys on my neck or something stupid like that. So if you don't know a person's medical condition or anything, just don't say anything, you know, ignore it. Some people are self-conscious like me. So yeah, so don't say anything about it. But yeah, so yeah, I'm just having a bad eczema flare-up. So yeah, let's get right into the video though. So we have 2 closed Boxycharms. So one of them is super heavy. Should we go with the super heavy one or like the light one? Like this one's light. Okay, we're just gonna open them. Let's open the light one. And as soon as you open it, you know, it says Hello Charmer there, so let's just go right in. This feels like a bottle. Okay, so the first thing we're pulling out is the Cover FX primer. It's a blurring primer, so that's nice. I don't know how much it is, but you guys know they leave a card with all that information. The second thing is a brush. This is Aesthetica. Let's open it. Oh, this is a really soft brush. Mine is kind of crooked. Mine has a little condition where it's crooked. But what did I just say, guys? If you don't know that medical history, then don't ask. So this brush is crooked. It looks like it's supposed to be like here. Like, yeah, I think it's supposed to be like right there, but it keeps going this way. But it's okay. Maybe I'll use it for like there to apply highlight or blush. So that'll work. Here's the card. We're doing this box all backwards. This box is the Boxy Bash box. So you guys have to let me know which month this box is. I don't know. This box could be the December box. I don't even know. Oh, it looks like they sent us some... Okay, Boxycharm. They sent us some eyelash stuff. We have a spoolie brush here. This you could do either liner or you could fill in your eyelash. I don't know if you guys can see that brush. So spoolie, a little filler in, tiny brush. And this is a nice angled brush. I live for these angled brushes. That's what I do to that's what I use on like the weekends to do my brows. Last but not least, there's a lip gloss. This is the hand lip gloss. And let's see, it is in the shade Raspberry Chardonnay. So that's nice. Oh wow. I got all the brushes out and didn't realize it actually comes with a gel eyeliner. This is the Pretty Vulgar gel eyeliner. And let's open it. Wow, it's really deep in there. So you can see that. It looks pretty dark. So the darker the better. And oh, that's not it, guys. There's one more thing. What could this be? Oh, it's a push through. You guys know I'm not a fan of the push throughs, but it's okay. I can't even push it through. Here is a Per Sculptor palette. Oh wow, guys, this is dark. Look at that. So we have some highlights, some shimmers here, and some contouring shades. I actually will be able to use this contour shade. It is pretty dark. You see that? That'll be a nice contour. It'll be nice and shadowy for me. So that's really nice. I like that. All of the prices are in the back. I think this box was a really nice box. You guys, once again, have to tell me which box this is because I'm not sure. So box number 1 is completely empty. Oh, and if you never joined Boxycharm or had Boxycharm, they always include these nice little soft, like, cushion to protect your product. So nothing arrives broken. Okay, so that's everything from box number 1. And box number 2 is definitely a heavy girl. You know, she's busting through her seams here. She's barely holding on. She's holding on tight, ready or not, you know. So let's go ahead and open up this box. Here's the card here. This one says Boxycharm. Oh, this is Caribbean Queen. You guys know I love the island. So this is everything in the box. If you caught it, good for you. If you want to keep watching, then let's get into box number 2. Oh my gosh, yes. You guys, these are the best brushes. I don't care what nobody says. I live for Luxie brushes. I first heard of Luxie brushes from my Ipsy. Back when I was with Ipsy, they sent me a Luxie brush, and that is hands down my favorite brush out of all the brush brands that I have. So we got 3 brushes, one for powder, liquid foundation, and also for highlight. So these are really, really nice. And they're so soft, guys. These are by far my favorite brushes ever, and I cannot believe they're pink. Like, I'm gagging over that. I'm so gagging over that. So let's see what else they gave us. Boxycharm sending lashes now, guys. Are we getting lashes, Boxycharm? I have never received a pair of lashes. If this is lashes, Boxycharm, I can't with y'all. If this is a pair of lashes, like, oh my gosh, look at these beautiful, beautiful lashes, guys. These are the Monroe 3D Silk Lashes. It's by the company BaddingtonLashes.com. Very beautiful, beautiful lashes. Wow, I can't believe Boxycharm sending lashes. I love lashes. We have some Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. Looks just like this, and let's smell it. Oh. It smells alright, I guess, but I don't think I'll be using any Bum Bum Cream. So, let's see what else they sent us. They sent us the Jaunt Blue Eyeliner Pencil, and this is in the shade Dark Brown. There we go. It's in the shade Dark Brown. That's right there. Why am I saying last but not least? Okay, next thing is a product from Ofra. I believe they're called Ofra Cosmetics, or is it just Ofra? Yeah, it is. It's ofracosmetics.com. Oh, this smells so good, guys. That smells like candy. Let's put it up here. That's my zhush. You guys know I love these colors. So, yeah. That's really, really nice. I actually like this. I think the lashes and this product from Ofra might be my 2 favorites right now from this box. Let's see. We have this eyeshadow palette from Alamar Cosmetics. And these beautiful, beautiful shades. This is a really pretty palette. My only thing is there's no mirror. I can't do my eyeshadow with this when I'm traveling to these Caribbean places. So that's the only thing, but I do love how they mention the names all at the bottom. So it's kind of like a 50-50. Like some palettes, they won't do both. I know the new Makeup Shayla palette does both, but yeah. So yeah, that's the end of my double Boxycharm unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed me unboxing multiple Boxycharms in one video. If you liked it, make sure you let me know down below in the comments. If you have any other video requests for me, then definitely leave it down below and you can chit chat with me. I'll talk back with you guys. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I love you guys so much. I hope you're having an awesome summer, and I look forward to chatting with you guys. And yeah, if you do want to join Boxycharm, I will leave my link down below for Boxycharm. They may have a discount or something. I'll check, and I'll also leave that down below for you guys. And I hope you enjoyed this video. I love you guys so much. I'll talk to you in my next one. Bye!